Let me call the hearing to order. The committee meets this morning to consider the nominations of Mr. Frank Kendall III to be Secretary of the Air Force, Ms. Heidi Shyu to be Undersecretary of Defense for Research and Engineering. Ms. Shyu, if confirmed as Undersecretary of Defense for Research and Engineering, you will be responsible for managing the department's investments in key modernization priorities outlined in the National Defense Strategy.
There's a very different culture in the technology community versus your standard acquisition community. In the technology community, typically there is a lot more risk, and you push the edge of the envelope to create innovation.
What happens to innovation then?
Well, that's the problem. So they want to see the technology being very mature. So one of the key things that we need to do when I get into my position, if confirmed, is to help to bridge this valley of death that we talked about a little earlier. Make sure the technology we test out in labs are tested in a relevant setting, relevant environment, so the program manager will feel more comfortable adopting that technology. The Israelis do that. They're very, very fast in developing a prototype, getting into the hands of a user to get feedback as to what needs to be modified, then redesign that. Based upon my experience with Roboteam, which is a small robotics company in Tel Aviv, that's exactly what they did. They're able to do 3 generations of prototypes in 1 year. And that's the kind of speed we need.
Thank you very much.